Hello friends. Welcome to Simple Mechatronics. Now IR-based line follower is second inversion for slim boat without using any microcontroller. Now an IR sensor LED and IR LED are selected for IR sensing module. These are to be assembled on a small PCB along with a connector. This is the circuit diagram and actual circuit board of IR sensor module used for slim boat as IR line follower. Here, two numbers of IR sensor modules are used for IR line follower. The IR sensing LEDs are covered with heat shrink tubes to reduce external IR interference. This is the 3-pin connector for IR sensor and IR LED with resistors as per the circuit diagram. The hole is provided to hold the module. Now connect 3 pins to baseboard for testing each IR module. Now switch on power supply to baseboard. The light emitted by an IR LED is not visible to our naked eyes. But you may observe glowing of IR LED through a digital camera or cell phone camera. The slim boat moves when the IR sensor is kept above the white surface and stops above the black surface. Now position both the IR sensor modules on front side of the slim boat suitably. The gap between the sensors are to be adjusted and shall be more than the width of the line. Also, some gap is to be maintained between the flow and the LEDs. Now connect both the IR sensor modules to 8-pin connector on baseboard. This is the circuit diagram for connecting both the IR sensor modules to 8-pin connector on the baseboard of slim boat. Here, matching Berg strips are used on modules and baseboard connector to avoid damage to the modules and baseboard. These are the final connections as per the circuit diagram. When you switch on the power supply, the slim boat should move in straight path on white surface. Then adjust the gap between the sensors as per the requirement. Now it's time for testing. It is observed that slim boat cannot recognize sharp turns. So the sharp turn is converted into smooth curve. Now the slim boat can recognize acute angle turns, obtuse angle turns, along with smooth curves. Now the slim boat is moving in reverse direction, following the black line. Here, you may click on the link for a video related to line followers and robotics. Thanks for watching the video. More explanation and circuits are available at Simple Mechatronics website. Links for other projects are available at description below. Bye friends, see you in the next video.